Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're heading to the vibrant and historic city of Ahvaz in southwestern Iran. Known for its beautiful river, rich culture, and delicious cuisine, Ahvaz is a city full of charm and surprises. From scenic riverfronts to ancient sites, Ahvaz has something for everyone. So, if you're ready to explore this gem of Khuzestan Province, let's dive right in. Ahvaz, vibrant and historic city. 1. Karun River. Our first stop is the heart of Ahvaz Karun River, the largest river in Iran. Flowing gracefully through the city, the Karun has been a lifeline for the people of Ahvaz for centuries. One of the best places to enjoy the river is at the White Bridge, or Pol-e-Safed, an iconic symbol of the city. Built in the 1930s, this suspension bridge lights up beautifully at night, creating a stunning view that you won't want to miss. 2. Black Bridge. Ahvaz is known as the City of Bridges, and two of the most famous ones are the Black Bridge and Naderi Bridge. The Black Bridge, built in 1929, is the oldest railway bridge in Iran, and it has become a beloved landmark of the city. Not far from it, the modern Naderi Bridge showcases a sleek design and offers a beautiful view of the river. Both bridges are great spots for photography, especially during sunset, when the river glows with shades of orange and gold. 3. Mufid Shrine. Ahvaz is a city where different cultures come together, and one place that reflects this diversity is the Mofid Shrine. This shrine, with its serene courtyard and intricate tile work, is a popular place for locals to gather and reflect. Beyond the shrine, Ahvaz's Arabian influence is evident in its architecture, traditional clothing, and music. It's a wonderful opportunity to learn about the city's rich heritage and see how it blends Persian and Arabian cultures. 4. Chogazan Bil Ziggurat. Our next destination takes us back in time to one of the most impressive archaeological sites in Iran, the Chogazan Ziggurat. Located just a short drive from Ahvaz, this ancient Elamite temple dates back over 3,000 years and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built by the Elamite king Antash Napirisha, the ziggurat is one of the few remaining structures of its kind in the world. Walking among these ancient ruins is like stepping into a forgotten era, making it a must-visit for history buffs. Finally, no trip to Ahvaz is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Khuzestan is famous for its delicious food, and Ahvaz is no exception. Don't miss out on trying galiye mahi, a spicy fish stew, or falafel and sambus from one of the city's many street vendors. And if you're a fan of dessert, make sure to try a ranginak, a date and walnut treat that is simply divine. After dinner, head out to one of the riverside cafes where you can enjoy live music and experience the warm hospitality of Ahvaz's residents. Ahvaz is a city full of contrasts where ancient history meets vibrant modern life, and the river flows through the heart of it all. Whether you're drawn to its natural wonders, rich cultural heritage, or just want to enjoy some delicious food, Ahvaz is a city that will capture your heart. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more adventures.